Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Obstipuit simul ipse, simul percussus Achates, laetitia metuque avidi conjugere dextras ardebant, sed res animos incognita turbat. At the same time, Achates himself stood both dumbstruck, and he was struck with both fear and happiness. He was struck with both happiness and fear. The eager men were burning to join their right hands, but the unknown affair troubles their spirits. So, right now, Aeneas and Achates are in a cloud together. Achates remembers the faithful companion of Aeneas. So they're in this invisible cloud that Venus put them in. The goddess Venus being Aeneas' mother, she's always looking out for him, protecting him. So she whipped them up into this cloud of invisibility, this safety cloud, and they're observing things throughout the city of Carthage. So right now, they just saw their allies approach Queen Dido, and they have no idea what's about to happen. So that's why they're filled with happiness, because they didn't know whether their allies had survived the sea storm or not, and now they know that they're fine. So that's where the laetitia comes from. But there's also metus, fear. And that's because they don't know how Dido is going to react to a group of foreigners coming into her city. And they were burning to join their right hands. This is very strong. They were burning to join their right hands. And they were eager. This shows how happy they were. They wanted to just clutch hands and celebrate. But at the same time, the uncertain affair troubles their souls. So they're just scared of how Dido is going to react. They don't know what she's going to say or do, and they're just hoping for the best.